Dr. Navendu Chaudhary, working here as professor at SIG. I started my education journey as a microbiologist from Pune. Eventually went to US and completed my PhD in geography. So I made an exciting journey from microscope to satellites, and it's been privileged to work here at SIG for past 18 years.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Veena Parihar, Head of the Department Data Science and Spatial Analytics. And let me tell you, we have a very good data science program with a specialization that is spatial analytics. For now, like in the current world, data is very much important, and this skill can be very fruitful for all of the new professional and the new industry. So this is a very industry-ready program. You should learn new skills. Right now, the spatial data is very much important. So yeah, let's join our hands together and welcome to our data science program.